substitution to evaluate the following integral. It's sine squared theta cosine theta. The power function here is sine square theta. Inside is sine theta. So I'm going to try to make the substitution u equal to sine theta. For substitution, you need to first do differential to find du. Derivative of sine theta is cosine theta d theta. And you guys notice that is already sitting in the integral. So that means my integral can be written as sine square theta, that can be written as u square now because sine theta is u, times cosine theta d theta is replaced by du. Now this is a simple integral using the power rule. So that will be u cube by 3 plus c. U is sine theta, so always write your answer back into the original format. Sine cube theta by 3 plus c would be your answer. Let's work on part B, another example for substitution. In this question, the most complicated part looking is this. That's under the square root. What is inside the square root? That is x cube plus 1. I'm going to try to put x cube plus 1 as u. That's my substitution. Du is equal to, the derivative of x cube is 3x square plus 1's derivative is 0. Always write a differential. Now we notice that x square dx is already sitting in the question. So x square dx from our substitution can be written as 1 by 3 du by dividing both sides by 3. So let's write our integral. X square dx will be replaced by du times 1 by 3. Square root of inside is being replaced by u. So we have this integral now. By the time you do the substitution, there should not be any x left in the question, okay? So our integral is u the power half du, 1/3, u the power half plus 1 is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. We always need to put u back. What was u again? X cube plus 1. So x cube plus 1 power 3 by 2. This was 1/3 here, but this 2/3 is going to flip and come next to it, plus c. So we have 2 by 9, x cube plus 1 power 3 by 2 plus c. That is your answer. Next part, C. X times 2x square plus 1 power 4 dx. We are integrating this whole function. The most complicated part is this, which is the power, and inside that is just 2x square plus 1. So we are going to try to substitute u as 2x square plus 1. The next step is differential. Derivative of 2x square is 4x. Always write a dx next to it. We notice that x and dx is already sitting in the question. So x dx is already in the question. So x dx can be replaced by 1 by 4 du by dividing both sides by 4. So let's write the substitution now. Integral 2x square plus 1 is u the power 4, and this x dx together can be replaced by 1 by 4 du using our substitution. Now this is a simple integral using power rule. U the power 5 by 5 plus c. U the power 5. U can be replaced back by 2x square plus 1 power 5 by 4 times 5 is 20 plus c.